What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Audrey.
And I'm Hui.
And welcome to Tokyo. So for the next few nights, we are actually staying at the Conrad Tokyo. And we were able to stay here because we have a free night certificate as well as some points because we have the Hilton Aspire card. So we thought it'd be fun to show you guys what it's like to stay here.
Located in the Shimbashi neighborhood and only 5 minutes south of Ginza, the Conrad Tokyo is one of the most luxurious hotels in Tokyo. And upon arrival, we could definitely feel the difference compared to any regular hotels. From the Golden Hotel sign to the elegant welcome structure and the massive bonsai in the hotel entrance, we immediately felt the true Japanese essence of peace, serenity, and welcoming. The hotel shares the same building with the other corporate offices, so we take a direct elevator to the 28th floor where the lobby is. After getting off the elevator, we were greeted with a grand lobby featuring a 23 feet tall ceilings, more beautiful artworks, and professionally dressed staff. Even though there were a lot of guests, the check-in process was very smooth, and we were checked in within 15 minutes. Directly across the check-in desk is the 28 Bar and Lounge. This bar has an amazing view of the Tokyo Bay and offers live music at night. During our stay here, we noticed that this bar was very popular with the locals on the weekend. As we make our way down the hall, we are passing by a small gift shop, and at the end of the hallway, there are 3 restaurants on the property. Cerise, which is the main breakfast restaurant, Collage, serving French food for dinner, and China Blue, which serves authentic Chinese cuisine. Now let's make our way up to the room for the room tour.
So we booked a king room with a city view, but they did upgrade us to a king room with a bay view. But I think pretty much the layout of the room is the same. But anyway, so when you first enter into the room, to my right is a full-length mirror, and you guys know how much we appreciate full-length mirrors. And then right across from the mirror is actually the bathroom. So let's go in there. So this bathroom is huge compared to the hotel bathrooms that we had in like our previous Tokyo trip. I mean, even the room itself is huge compared to the one that we stayed in. But anyways, so this bathroom definitely has a luxurious feel to it with the black sleek tile, the accent lighting, as well as the beautiful bathtub. And they also even gave us some robes. There's also a lot of amenities that they provided, such as toothbrush, toothpaste, loofah, mouthwash, and a whole lot more. Also, it's really nice that there's 2 sinks. We appreciate that there's enough room for the both of us. And then right here is the toilet area. It's also nice that it is separated from the shower area, which is just right next to it. And in the shower, there's the option for the waterfall shower and a handheld shower. And then coming down the hallway, there's these closets. So this closet here is where the safe is. They have a shoe bag. They provide some slippers. And what's nice is actually they also give you an umbrella, which is much needed because it's been raining in Tokyo all day. So that was a nice touch. And there's also another closet right here, which there is an ironing board with an iron, some hangers, and then just some extra bedding, and then just some drawers, stuff for you to put your clothes, or if you wanted to unpack, that's where you would put it. And welcome to the main bedroom area. Obviously behind me there's this beautiful king bed. It's super sleek and modern and just like calming in a way. And then right across from the bed is the TV, and underneath the TV is where they have a water boiler, your ice bucket, some cups and glasses for any drinks that you want, and the mini bars there too, which is also stocked, but obviously it costs money, so we will not be taking anything from there. And then moving on, over here is a little work / eating / desk / whatever you want to use it for, which is nice. And then right next to it is extra seating area, which is really nice for you to just lounge and chill because the view that we have is pretty great. So I think that's going to be the last thing that we show you. So before I show you the view, there is this thing here that I have no idea what it is. So let's open it up together. Oh, it's chocolate. It is chocolate and it looks beautiful. So we can definitely try that later. But now let's show you the view. And this is how you open the curtain and the blinds. And that's the end of the room tour, and perfect timing because we do have access to their executive lounge, and between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is actually afternoon tea, so let's go check it out.
The executive lounge is located on the 37th floor and is accessible to Hilton Diamond members or for guests that book an executive room or suite. The lounge is split into two sides. One side has the view of the Tokyo Bay and the other side has the city view. One thing to note is that the bay view side is really popular, so it gets crowded really quickly. For this afternoon, we chose the city view side since it has more seatings. During the afternoon snacks, the Conrad Tokyo provide guests with a variety of small bites and drinks that you would normally find in the high tea set. We got here at 3:40. It is already very crowded and they barely have any sandwiches left, but we managed to grab a few pieces. This one looked like focaccia with tuna. It's actually really good. The second piece I'm gonna try is this fruit cake. Very good. And this looked like some sort of tart. Really good as well. Feels like a proper afternoon tea snack.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so with the Hilton Aspire credit card, we have $200 credit to spend every 6 months. And so we figured we would spend it on room service. We ordered beef curry with rice and french fry. And I thought I just not normally bring a tray to the room. But the room service actually came with a whole table. Let me show you guys. Look at this, guys. We got a whole table overlooking the bay. And it smells so good right now. And you know what else is also cool? We ordered the food 15 minutes ago. And it came so quick. Normally room service would take an hour, but this is even faster than food delivery.
Good morning, you guys. Last night after room service, we pretty much just went to bed. But because we are Hilton Diamond members, we do get complimentary breakfast, and we actually have two options. One is at their restaurant on the 28th floor, and the other option is at the executive lounge. So this morning we are gonna go to the restaurant to try it out.
Wow. So good. Yeah. This is so good. Wow. It's like the creamiest, like the butteriness scrambled egg I ever have. And it has like the seaweed flavor balanced really well with the sea urchin. Wow. Wow. The best sea urchin I've ever had as well. We just came back from a full day of exploring, and it is so nice that they already did the turnout service for us. They already put out the pajama on the bed, they put sweet dreams to you on the TV, and they also put 2 bottles of water by the nightstand. Such a nice touch. Alright, so we're gonna call it a night, but we still have a few other things about this hotel that we want to show you, so we will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. This morning I woke up a little bit early, so I'm gonna go work out to show you guys the gym as well as the pool. On the 29th floor, you will find a spa, gym, and pool area which have locker rooms available. At the gym, they do offer exercise classes, but there is an extra fee for that and advanced reservation is required. Some amenities that they offer in the gym are headphones for cardio equipment, towel, and disinfectant to wipe down the gym equipment, as well as room temp bottled water, cold water, and cold towels. The gym itself is not very big, but it has all the equipment that you need to get a workout in, such as the treadmill, elliptical machine, kettlebells, Smith machines, and dumbbells. There's also a yoga and aerobics room that you can use for whenever there aren't any group classes going on. I thoroughly enjoyed my workout here, and now I'm ready for a dip in the pool. The pool is huge and has a great view of the city. There's plenty of seating areas and lots of natural light. The pool also has adult-only hours, which was between 6 to 9 a.m. and 7 to 10 p.m. After you are done with your workout, you can head back to the locker room to enjoy a traditional Japanese sauna experience with the dry sauna, steam room, hot tubs that you can use for free. They also provide hair dryers, shaving kits, lotions, and more in each individual vanity station. Hey guys, we are back in Seattle now, so I would like to give you guys my final thoughts before ending this video. Overall, we had an amazing stay at the Conrad Tokyo. The location was perfect, the service and the staff were top-notch, and the room was super spacious, and it was the perfect place to relax after a long day of exploring the city. Regarding the price, the hotel is a bit pricey, so we would highly recommend that you find a worth night and book your stay via Hilton Point. But honestly, this was one of the best hotel experience that we have ever had, and we would highly recommend you guys staying here. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to keep winning at life. See you next video. Bye.